Hello children, how are you? This is Miss Lucia and today you're in my kitchen. And today we're gonna make carrot cake. Do you know what's this? This is a carrot. So first go wash your hands. I already washed mine. So we need 175 grams of carrots. Just like this. Look. Chop, 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 chop. 2 eggs. 1 and 2. 90 grams of flour, just like this. 150 grams of sugar. And zest. And we also need 50 milliliters of oil. And if you like it, you can use some cinnamon and nutmeg. Since we're not going to use the oven, we need something that's usable for the microwave. And you need to put some butter around it for the cake not to be stuck. Let's get started. This easy. I can't wait to see yours. Remember to send me pictures.